Hello, everyone, my name is Ji-Eun Lee. Today, we will discuss the management of infected arthroplasty. A two-stage revision process typically manages the infected arthroplasty. The reference standard for treating an infected total knee arthroplasty, TKA, involves the following steps. Removal of the implant and cement. Insertion of an articulating cement antibiotic spacer. Administration of 6 weeks of intravenous antibiotics. Delayed reimplantation of the prosthesis. Let's examine some case studies to illustrate these concepts. This image shows the radiography taken immediately after surgery. In this radiograph, taken 11 months after the initial TKA, we observe a newly developed irregular periprosthetic lucency exceeding 2 mm in thickness. There are areas of periprosthetic bone resorption beneath the femoral component and the tibial baseplate. These findings are indicative of an infection. These images show the use of antibiotic-impregnated cement spacers. These spacers serve two purposes. They help maintain knee alignment and locally treat the infection before the definitive revision surgery. Here, we see the radiograph after the patient underwent delayed revision arthroplasty. Notice the femoral and tibial components with extended stems. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it.